Hello guys, welcome back. This is Kgf for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working with another very beautiful cinematic title. The name is Kgf 2. So let's start. First, open After Effects, create a new project, new composition, and change HD and name it Kgf 2. 5 seconds, the background will be alpha, and press OK. And now import the Kgf logo. This is the logo. Turn on title action save area, and then press S for scale up the size. Move the logo title center of screen. This is the center. Okay, great. And now create a new solid. Name it Kgf Mask. Press enter, turn off, and lock the logo. Select the pen tool, press comma down of the escape button, and zoom. Okay, zoom out and fit your screen. Turn off the background of logo, and now create another solid and name here, write what element 3D. Press enter and go back to effects, video copilot element, and then select text and mask, custom layers, text and mask, Kgf mask, and then click on scene setup and press extrude. Okay, and now go back to presets, and there is a lot of different presets or bevels. Double click, looks good, and double click another one. This one too looks good. And go to materials. This is the Pro Shaders metal, and open extrusion mode. Look, this shiny material is in front of the text. Drop different and check another one, which one is looking good. This one looking good. And what about this? Not bad. Select one of these materials, and then select another one. Drop this one here, and drop this on here. Good. And now press OK. Right click, create a new camera, 24mm. Press OK. Select element 3D and drop. Curve. Double click. Control the material. A little bit dark, like this. And there is the red curve line. little bit red. Good. And now select Kgf Mask and then turn on, press F4, turn on 3D button and move it here. Okay, go back to Effects, Video Copilot, Saberlight, and go to Customize Core, Saberlight, Layer Mask. After this, move the Kgf Mask top of the Element 3D layer and go to Fire. After Fire, down the glow intensity and change the core size like this, and press F4, change the mode to add. Yeah, looking good. And zoom, go back to distort, glow, down the distort option and go back to core, down the core option little bit and change the noise scale down, down more. Good. And now change the core size, press Ctrl on keyboard, slowly change the rate core size. Okay. And now change the color of the burn. Little bit red. Okay, and now time to make motion. Change the start offset. Start offset like this, and change the end offset. End size little bit down, the start size little bit down. And now let's make the motion. How to make the motion? Okay, go to second one, start offset, and there is the end offset. Stopwatch, start offset, go to second 3, down the start offset to 0, and go back to 1 second 15 frames, and stopwatch end offset, go back to 3 seconds 15 frames. Change like this and play now. Good. Press U on Kgf Mask. This keyframe is for Saberlight effects. Okay, and now create a new solid, name it particles, and go to effects, trap code, particular, and go to emitter, change it to box, and go to XYZ individual, change the emitter size X and change this one to 0, Good. And now go back to particles, change the particle size to change the random size 50 and go to physics higher. Great. Okay, and now time to make different particles, fire particles. Move the particle layer behind of element 3D layer, and now change the particle color to burn. It means red. Press OK, and now go to rendering, motion blur, turn on the motion blur like this. Okay, drop the glow effect on particles. Double click, need more effect. Double click, need more glow effect. And go back to particles, change the size 1. And go to size over life. Size over life, select the second graph and go to opacity over life, select the second graph. Play now. Looks good. Select the particle and move the particle down here, and need more realistic fire particles by changing setting of turbulence field. Affect position, change, and now play. Looks ashes. Okay, and now I need Kgf Mask. I need to make a duplicate, but press Ctrl D, duplicate, and go to Saber Light, turn off these options and move behind of particles like this, and go to where there is some option, the wind speed. You can change the wind speed, and you can change core distortion, wind speed, and there is glow distortion. Change it like this, and right click, pre-compose, move all attributes. This option is very important if you want to move your mask, effects, plugins into composition. Then you must select move all attributes and name it here Kgf Backfire. Press enter and select this one, then mask from there. Press MMM for all mask options. Make a feather. Make it feather. And now need lighting. Right click, create a new solid, name it lights, maybe background lights. Press enter and go to effects, stylize, no light factory, and go to presets, select the different lights, which is looking good. There is a lot of lights, but very important, select that light which is match with your animation. I think what about this light? What about this light? Double click, change the color. When you change the mode option to add, move here and select, change the color more red, like that, a little bit bright, little bit bright, little bit bright. Press OK and change the flare and move it to right side. Good. Okay, now time to make logo title animation. Little bit control, make here, and then press T. Play. Select this one, Kgf. This is the behind Kgf fire, this is the mask Kgf fire, and move little bit in. And now element 3D, select this one and this one, right click, pre-compose, 3D title, press enter. So where is the lights? What is the problem? Right click, pre-compose, okay, move down here, no problem. Right again, 3D title, press OK. And now create another solid, name it title mask, press enter, drop the fractal noise, and now go to transform, scale, from second one, stopwatch, go to second 2, change to make bright, and move the title mask here and select the track matte, 3D title, alpha matte. Alpha matte, Luma matte, play it again, okay, looks good. and select Kgf, like this one, double click on it, and this is the core size. Stopwatch, go to second 2, change the core size, play now. Looks good. And go back to title mask option. Look, when you change this, and you can change it invert, you can change KGFB fire. There is a start offset, play now. Start offset, change again to 0. Stopwatch, go to second 2, make it 0. Play again. Okay, now time to set the particles. The particles must start from here. Select the particles. Where is the individual XYZ? Start from here and move up, change the rate to 30. Good. How it looks, guys? If you really like it, please like, share, subscribe the channel. Let's render for final. Okay, render now. Select the quality full and turn off the title action save area and render now. Wow, looking so nice and beautiful. Select the KGF fire, change the core size, press U, a little bit more brighter and more brighter. Good. And now one thing more, double click, import to lens flare. This lens flare, delete this one, drop this one, and select add and mask it from here. Make feather and select, press S for scale up the size, rotate, move here, rotate. Okay, when the title is coming, the lens flare, press T, 0, P for position, T for opacity, move to second 3, move here. Play now. Yeah, that is really good. And change the opacity more down. Play now. And another one. Drop here and rotate. Press shift. Press S for scale down and select the add and move here. Change the color. Go to effects and right here HUE, double click. Change the color little bit red. And when this coming after this, change 0. Press P for the position. Zoom in, move here. Play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about KGF 2 movie title trailer. Hope you like, and don't forget like, subscribe the channel and share if you really like. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.